Hello guys, welcome to my screencast on using Google Drawings to make schematic diagrams. This is going to be very helpful for you guys in the upcoming Wendy Wawa Acme toy project, where you're going to be designing your own toy, you're going to be designing the circuit, and you're going to be drawing many schematic drawings when you do that. So this is going to be a helpful tool for you guys. If you need to refer back to this screencast, it will be available to you as needed. Alright, so I'm just going to show you guys how to use this Google Drawings. It's really simple. I've got a Google Doc open. I'm going to insert a drawing like such. This little window pops up. It looks very simple, but there's a lot you can do with this stuff. So for instance, drawing resistors. If you draw a resistor over and over every single time, it's going to get kind of time consuming and maybe a little bit annoying. So I'm going to show you a little trick. You can click on the line tool. We're going to draw a resistor. So I hold down the button, go up on a diagonal, let go, click again, hold down on an angle. I'm going to do this a few times so I have something that looks like a resistor. And there, that looks pretty nice. Okay, so now I don't want to have to draw that every single time I make a resistor, so I'm going to show you guys a trick. What I'm going to do is click on the arrow over here. I'm going to select the entire shape. You can see it's all highlighted now. And I'm going to press Command C to copy that shape. Okay, so I'm going to choose this and put it where I want it. I want it to be exactly right here. And I'm going to add 3 more resistors into my circuit, just as an example. Okay, so now all I have to do is I can press Command V, and now I have a copy of that. So now while this is highlighted, it makes sense to grab it, re-highlight it. There we go. Okay. Ooh, now I have a problem though. I'm going to have my wire going up this way. My resistor is not on the right angle, so I'm going to grab this little handle on top right there to spin it 90 degrees. Boom. Alright, I want one more resistor, so I'm going to hit Command V one more time to paste it. I'm going to grab that guy just like so. Put it up here. Alright, now I have my resistors set up. Now all I need to do is draw the battery and the wires, and I'm ready to go. I have my circuit drawn. And I did that relatively quickly. Okay, so to draw my wires, I'm going to choose my line tool again. The battery symbol is really easy to just draw. So you just draw a line like so, and then a longer line, either above or below, either way works. Okay, I have my battery. Now all I need to do is just draw in a few lines to connect the circuit. Such. Move on the circuit. Connecting the wires. And voila. We have drawn a series circuit with 3 components in just a couple minutes. Okay, a couple of things that you can also do. You can change the shape, for instance. So if I want to label something, an arrow can work nicely. Draw myself an arrow to label that resistor. Oops, see, my arrow went the wrong way. Oops, draw a second one. Didn't mean to do that. I'm going to grab this arrow, flip it around. There we go. Alright, and then you can add text as well. So I might say resistor number 1, something like that. Alright guys, that concludes my lesson on how to draw a schematic.